The self-healing solution is built using machine learning concept. This solution has three modules. They are feature extraction, recommendation, and XPath generation. The following example will show how the self-healing solution automatically adapts to the element changes. Consider this demo page as the application under test. Let's automate the scenario of clicking on Save Email button and verifying the success message. So, as a first step, the automation tester will create an element selector for this Save Email button and stores it in the object repository. And when the test executes, the feature extraction module automatically extracts the features for this button. Now, let's assume the button text is getting changed from Save Email to Retain Email. Normally, the automation test would fail due to this change because the element selector in the object repository doesn't have any matching elements in the screen. But with self-healing solution, the script will automatically search for the element which is closely matching with the features previously stored. After identifying the element which is closely matching with the features, the script will also generate a new element selector and updates the object repository. Let's see a demo. The object repository contains the element selector for Save Email button. The test executes normally and clicks on Save Email button. Now let's change the button text from Save Email to Retain Email. Let's verify the changes. Yeah, the page is updated now. Now the test script contains element selector for Save Email, but the demo page has the button text as Retain Email. The test execution started. The self-healing solution activated automatically and it starts searching elements which is closely matching with the features. This solution selects the element which is closely matching with the features and it generates a new element selector automatically. The test completed successfully. The element change is not impacting the test execution. This solution would save lot of efforts for the team.